I am Krasna Raman from grade 9.
I am Imtiaz from grade 1.
This is Team Helium Heads for you. A big round of applause for them. I am Subhadra from grade 6. I am Bhavasri from grade 12.
I am Abdul from grade 8.
So this is Team Concept Learners for you. A big round of applause for them. I am Bhavasri from grade 10. I am Nitisha from grade 11.
I am Rama from grade 7.
So this is Team Circuit Shorters for you. A big round of applause for them.
I am Sharma from grade 8.
I am Nasir from grade 1.
So this is Team Misplaced Mutation. A big round of applause to them. So I welcome all the teams. I welcome all the children. I welcome the quiz masters for this grand science quiz, Science Experience 1.0 2025. A big round of applause for everyone, please.
I am Shivakavi from grade 8.
Are you ready? So you have 10 rounds, okay? And each round will have a set of 6 questions. So as you go through the rounds, you will get to know the rules and everything. So may I get the first round?
Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.